Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and as per usual I shall get to it. So this is a quick summary and analysis of this face. It's an extreme close-up, as you can tell, of a girl. It was literally just her face in the screen, so it was quite a... Usually I would have put hundreds of lines in different areas and then it would be far too chaotic and almost cluttered looking. So I went for a more simplistic and less lines. And I feel that the ratios and the accuracy came out the best results in that kind of approach. So sketch number 1 took 3 minutes, number 2 took 1 minute 40 seconds, and sketch number 3 took 1 minute 20 seconds. I applied geometric and observational methods for all three, along with the good speed and creating the feedback loop. If you don't know what I'm talking about, then check out the rest of the videos. I explain it a lot more there, and if you'd like a far more in-depth video, I am more than happy to do that for you. And if you'd also like to watch me draw, I would be happy to do that for you as well. Thanks guys!